Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist here at UKWF for the Farming Forum weather forecast. So starting with a look at latest satellite imagery to highlight a few features of interest which have relevance to the weather within the next 24 to 48 hours. And clearly the weather has now changed overnight after quite a sustained period of fine and settled conditions throughout last week. The weather has now turned more unsettled, and the forthcoming week essentially will provide a week of two halves, with most of the unsettled conditions this week occurring between Monday and Wednesday, whilst an improvement in the weather is then expected at the moment during Thursday and Friday. Satellite imagery shows one area of low pressure tracking northwards across Ireland and the Irish Sea. This is bringing an outbreaks of rain and showers northwards across the UK today, currently moving north into northern England and Scotland, along with some quite strong and gusty winds. Following on behind will be a mixture of sunshine and showers across many central and southern areas of England and Wales. And just drawing your attention to this feature to the southwest of the UK, this is another area of low pressure which will move over the United Kingdom on Tuesday to maintain the unsettled conditions. As a result, many areas of the UK on Tuesday will be at risk of rain and showers at times, some of which will be heavy, and equally there is also a risk of some locally heavy and perhaps thundery downpours developing across inland areas of England and Wales on Tuesday afternoon. These potentially bringing some localised severe weather due to some torrential downpours within a short space of time. So let's take a look at some forecast weather charts now to highlight the expected weather over the coming few days and also through the rest of the week as well. So starting with a look at the bigger picture, clearly the British Isles and Europe here. The areas of low pressure dominant just to the west and southwest of the UK, as I highlighted, will continue to move over the UK through the course of the next couple of days. So by the time we get to the end of Tuesday, here we are around about 9 PM on Tuesday the 6th of October, low pressure is dominant right over the United Kingdom. However, watch what happens as we progress towards the end of the week. Low pressure gradually weakens and begins to clear, and we get a small ridge of high pressure developing from the south and southwest, and that is this feature here. So on Thursday the 8th at midday, a ridge of high pressure has returned over the United Kingdom, and again this will likely signal an improvement in the weather to end the week on Thursday and Friday, and again that highlights this emphasis for a week of two halves. So let's take a closer look at the British Isles now in a little bit more detail over the next 24 to 48 hours. So here we are, midday on Monday the 5th. There's the region of rain and quite strong winds as highlighted by the close proximity of the black lines. These are the isobars, which as ever indicate the strength of the wind. So winds generally moderate, fresh or perhaps even strong south or southeasterly through the course of Monday. Outbreaks of rain continue to progress northwards into Scotland, and then essentially following from the south is a mixture of sunshine and showers. Some of the showers increasingly heavy across central and southern areas of England and Wales this afternoon, and then potentially merging into more prolonged spells of rain as it continues to track northwards on this south or southeasterly wind. So we move into Tuesday with outbreaks of rain generally progressing northwards. Again, some locally heavy precipitation is certainly possible, and then continuing on into Tuesday afternoon, it is a mixture of sunshine and showers. Some longer spells of rain across parts of northern and eastern areas of Scotland may well lead to some large rainfall totals here, perhaps in excess of 40 to 50 millimetres through the course of Tuesday, and equally more persistent rain may also bring some large rainfall totals across parts of Ireland as well. Here's the sunshine and showers though across England and Wales. As you can see in between, there is some drier and brighter spells on Tuesday afternoon, but as I indicated, some of these showers across inland areas of England and Wales on Tuesday afternoon could be heavy, certainly with a rumble of thunder, and some torrential downpours may well occur, with some large rainfall totals occurring in quite a short space of time. Now, as we continue to progress towards the midweek period, most of the unsettled conditions become restricted to the north and east of the UK, so by the time we get to Wednesday the 7th, at around midday, outbreaks of rain and showers lingering across Scotland and down into northern England, where else it is then a slowly improving picture across many central and southern areas of England and Wales, and also across into Ireland. Winds will generally be light and variable overall across inland areas of England on Tuesday, but by the time we get to Wednesday, quite a brisk west or northwesterly wind is expected to have developed across many areas of the UK, what will be quite a windy day on Wednesday. And finally, let's have a quick look at those temperatures through the next 24 to 48 hours. And generally it is quite a warm start to the week, almost a muggy and humid feel at times, particularly overnight on Monday and into Tuesday, which will be a particularly mild night than compared with of late. So Monday afternoon, temperatures widely 14 to 18 degrees across England and Wales, somewhat lower across Scotland around about 12 to 16 degrees. As you can see, through into the overnight period, temperatures don't fall very much at all, so by the time we get to Tuesday morning at around about 6 AM, many areas of the UK still have temperatures in the low teens, generally lows tonight no lower than around about 10 to 15 degrees, which again will be a particularly warm night for the time of year. Through into Tuesday, and another relatively warm day as expected, with quite a humid feel as well across England and Wales, temperatures widely in the mid to high teens. It isn't until we get to Wednesday that a change to much cooler and fresher conditions develop, and Wednesday will feel markedly cooler nationwide. So by the time we get to around about the middle of the afternoon on Wednesday the 7th, you can see temperatures are now much lower and generally only ranging between around about 10 and 15 degrees. So a drop in temperatures is expected from Wednesday onwards. So that's all the latest information on the weather for now, and thanks for tuning in.